Hi, this is Mohammed again from IBIS and Co Limited. Today we would like to discuss on the issues of late payment in terms of tax liabilities as well as submission of late tax returns. Let's say if you are in a situation whereby you haven't submitted your tax returns and you are facing penalties or you have received a notice from the HMRC that you haven't submitted your tax return and now you have to pay. We have dealt hundreds of cases and we have removed the penalties either to the actual tax liability or in a lot of cases we have reduced these liabilities to nil. Actually, I got a client from a referral whereby that person's dad who used to manage 10 different properties, he died 2 years ago. And this gentleman, who was the son, he was never been introduced by his dad to the tax person or to the accountant, how to submit his tax returns. Suddenly, when due to the death, he was a very young chap. All the properties, went to the probate, and when he received um, his dad's probate properties, he also received the notification from the HMRC that his dad owes £7,000 in taxes. So when he brought the case to us, we found out the different, we found out his circumstances, and we found that was not his fault, that his dad's fault. He has not submitted the tax returns. And we negotiated with the HMRC on that basis, and the penalties of £7,000 reduced to nil. He only paid the actual tax liability, and that was also few £100. So he was very satisfied on that case. If your circumstances were such that which abstained you from submitting your tax return, or you even are struggling in paying your tax liability and you have received surcharge notices, please call us. We will definitely help you in reducing your surcharge liabilities, as well as we will be able to get installment plan agreed with the HMRC, because the HMRC purpose is actually to get paid at the end of the day. So they, in through our experience, we have arranged the payment plan up to 2 years for some of our clients, because the circumstances were such that they cannot pay the whole amount over the period of 12 months, or even in two installments. So we managed to get the installment plan agreed with the HMRC up to 2 years. So if your circumstance does not allow you to pay the full lump sum amount of your tax liability, or your payment of account for the current tax year, so please call us. We definitely will get your payment plan arranged with the HMRC.